Hi, my name is Joachim Berggren. I'm a certified CNBC trainer and part of the team behind Empathic Way Europe. This year, 2024, we are organizing the 7th edition of Time for Empathy. And my contribution is a workshop called Levels of Empathy. And in this workshop, we will explore the skills, the abilities, and the willingness to offer empathy. And those things differs between individuals and within the same individual as well. And I guess you can recall times when you have been suffering in despair or sadness or something else, and someone was able to receive you with beautiful empathy. And I guess that you at the same time have memories of similar situations where people were not able to give you the empathy you were longing for. And I'm sure you can find those tendencies in yourself as well. At times you are able to receive others with empathy, and at times you don't seem to have the skills or the willingness to listen to other people. And when we practice NVC, one of the main skills we try to learn is how to listen well. And when it comes to people we know, people we like that talk about other people, it's quite easy to listen. It's a little more demanding when the same persons talk about something we have done that they're not so happy with. And it becomes even harder when someone we dislike talks about our failures or our shortcomings. So in this workshop, I will share some theory, and you will have the possibility to share your experience and to practice in breakout rooms. Because it's when we are able to locate those different levels of empathy, both within ourselves and within others, then we have an easier time to connect and to communicate with both ourselves and with others. So I hope you are curious and want to come and join me. So you are warmly welcome to join me in my workshop. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.